Hey Valerie, this is Manuel with Midtown Marketing. I have your guys' website pulled up to go over your online presence. Cool site, by the way. So looking through your site, having these click to call or form submits throughout your site is pretty good for conversions. One thing I would recommend is increasing your content on your homepage. The reason for that is Google has bots scanning the web 24/7. They're looking for content on your website, seeing what your photos are saved as, and trying to find keywords. So you'll want at least 1,500 words on your homepage to be considered an authority with Google. Then you want those keywords embedded throughout. Here's an example of a keyword, Foundation Repair DFW. This is the ad section, but we'll skip to the Google Map Pack. 30 to 40% of your business goes into this section, so you'll want to be ranking in the top 3. How you outrank your competitors is having a Google business profile with more citations, a good amount of reviews, and photos. A citation is your company name, address, and phone number listed in other places like Yelp. Below we'll get into the organic section, and the rest of your 60 to 70% of business will land here. This is where you want your website to be ranking. It's important to be on the first page because 90% of your customers won't search past it. You'll get the most traffic from being in the top 3 of the organic section and the Google Map Pack. Now let's take a look at the number 1 ranking competitor, Premier Foundation Repair. As you can see, they have a decent amount of content and they have quite a few photos to hide their keywords. Now let's take a look at the back end of these websites. I have plugged in Premier's site here, and these are some ratings pulled from Google data. The UR and the ER, the trustworthiness and authority of a website. What makes these numbers are the 3.37 thousand backlinks coming from 291 referring domains. What a backlink is one website linking to another, kind of like a shout out. It's important to note here that not all backlinks are created equally. With that, there are high quality links and also spammy ones to avoid, which would bring these numbers down. They also have 256 keywords. Now let's take a look at your website. I plugged it in here. And you guys have 36 UR, 13 DR, coming from 958 backlinks and 126 referring domains with 39 keywords. So you'll want to bring these numbers up, and how you do that is having good quality backlinks and good buyer intent keywords. One way is the copycat method, by going into Premier's backlinks and linking them to your website as well, because if it's helping them rank, it will work for you. Let's take a look at some keywords here. Some good buyer intent keywords are Foundation Repair Dallas with a search volume of 1,000 per month, Dallas Foundation Repair 150, Foundation Repair Dallas TX 100, and the list keeps going on with plenty of pages at the bottom. So in conclusion, my recommendation for you is to have your Google Business Profile ranking. So you want to add more citations, reviews, and photos, as well as adding content and keywords to your website and boosting your website's trustworthiness and authority with good quality backlinks. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video, and please let me know if this was helpful. Take care, Valerie.